to put the finishing touches on this match.
Oh my God! Roman Reigns. RKO by Orton. Great ball. Whoa! Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh, the claw! Straight up delivering it. You got to be kidding me! Oh, did he do it? Did he get it?
The finishing touches on this match.
Someone get FEMA on the phone. I think we're going to qualify after this disaster. Because it only...
You got to be kidding me! Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? But a Lesnar who's fading away. Brock Lesnar is fading away. Oh. Wait a minute. Look at this. Oh, my God.
Looking to put the finishing touches on this match.
Way out of hell. Jay can do it. Delivers me. Oh, the claymore attack from out of nowhere! Straight up the